The Laney FabLab is the campus makerspace where students from all the different departments can come on and get their hands dirty learning how to make things using digital fabrication tools like laser cutters, 3D printers, CNC machines. We have a water jet cutter, lots of software access to design and make pretty much almost anything you want. We're open to all students, staff, and faculty as well, completely free of charge. My time, the other technicians' time, access to the computers and software, even materials are all free here. Students have come here to learn new skills, or they learn life skills that they can apply to their art. We have a lot of students who come in here who want to find new careers. There's a lot of work to be done in the Bay Area. We have students come in here and move on to get well-paid jobs. Like there's a company in Oakland who's hired a student of ours to 3D print homes. Google X, the fabrication, advanced manufacturing side of Google. Students who go on to work at drone companies and all kinds of interesting things where they can apply their creativity and ability to make things. We've served about 10,000 students over the past 4 or 5 years from over 13 different departments. If you are interested in a career change or learning creative hand skills and are interested in using computers to make your dreams come true, then the FabLab is an amazing place for you to do that. It's been very fulfilling for all of our students here. Plenty of opportunities for people of all ages and of all backgrounds to come in and learn a new skill. It's super fulfilling. I'll tell you from experience that it's amazing to be able to come in here and in a day or two make something really awesome and see how fast you can progress with the skills that you learn. And this is the place for that.